Imagine boarding a jet that can fly faster than most commercial airlines, crossing continents in the time it takes someone else to finish a business lunch. In 2026, private aviation isn't just about luxury. It's about speed, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. Today, we're counting down the 10 fastest private jets of 2026. And the number one jet on this list is so advanced, it redefines what private air travel can do. Let's begin with why speed matters. Private jets aren't just toys for billionaires. They save time for executives, politicians, and global business leaders. They provide emergency transport for critical situations. They push the boundaries of aerospace engineering, introducing new materials, engines, and avionics. By the end of this video, you'll understand which jets dominate the sky, why they're faster than most commercial airlines, and which jet reigns supreme in 2026. 10. Cessna Citation X 120-210. At the lower end of our list, the Cessna Citation X remains an icon of speed. Max speed, Mach 0.935, approximately 717 miles per hour. Range, 3,460 miles. Passenger capacity, 812. Its swept-wing design and advanced avionics allow executives to traverse the U.S. in record time. Though not the newest model, its legacy of speed remains unmatched in the subsonic category. Even today, the Citation X Plus is a benchmark for efficiency and precision in private travel. 9. Bombardier Global 7500. The Global 7500 combines extreme speed with exceptional range. Max speed, Mach 0.925, approximately 710 miles per hour. Range, 7,700 miles. Passenger capacity, 19. Luxury meets velocity. Full-size bedrooms, lounges, and a dining area allow passengers to work or rest as the aircraft bridges continents. For intercontinental travel, this jet remains a favorite among CEOs and government officials. 8. Gulfstream G700, 3 o'clock to 3:50. The G700 is a masterpiece of aerodynamics and comfort. Max speed, Mach 0.925, approximately 710 miles per hour. Range, 7,500 miles. Passenger. 7. Dassault Falcon 10X. Introduced in 2025, the Dassault Falcon 10X redefines executive aviation. Max speed, Mach 0.935, approximately 717 miles per hour. Range, 7,500 miles. Passenger capacity, 1620. Its engines, cabin technology, and aerodynamic design make it both one of the fastest and most luxurious business jets available. The Falcon 10X is an emblem of innovation in private travel. 6. Embraer Praetor 700. The Praetor 700 isn't about breaking speed records, it's about optimized efficiency. Max speed, Mach 0.83 to 630 miles per hour. Range, 4,018 miles. Passenger capacity, 812. It climbs faster, accelerates more efficiently, and is perfect for short-haul flights where every minute counts. 5. Aviation AS2 Supersonic Prototype. Welcome to supersonic travel. Max speed, Mach 1.4, approximately 1,073 miles per hour. Range, 4,500 miles. Passenger capacity, 812. The Aviation AS2 is one of the first private jets capable of exceeding the speed of sound. Revolutionary aerodynamics reduce sonic boom impact, making supersonic travel quieter and more practical than ever before. 4. Spike S512 Supersonic Jet. Max speed, Mach 1.6, approximately 1,200 miles per hour. Range, 4,300 miles. Passenger capacity, 12. A futuristic design with virtual windows, The Spike S512 offers supersonic speed with an unmatched passenger experience. Only a handful of executives have experienced it, but it represents the next frontier in private aviation. 3. Airliners S3 740 to 840 Max speed Mach 1.8, approximately 1,380 miles per hour. Range 5,000 miles. Passenger capacity 1014. This advanced supersonic jet can cross the Atlantic in under 4 hours. Its carbon fiber fuselage, engine efficiency, and luxury cabin make it one of the fastest and most elegant jets in 2026. 2. Boom Overture 840 to 10 o'clock. Max speed Mach 2.2, approximately 1,450 miles per hour. Range 4,500 miles. Passenger capacity 10. The Boom Overture is a supersonic marvel, capable of transatlantic flights in less than 3 hours. It combines speed, efficiency, and an executive-grade luxury cabin. Few jets in the world match its velocity or sophistication. 1. Spike S512 Ultimate 2026 Prototype 10 o'clock to 1140. Max speed Mach 2.5, approximately 1,650 miles per hour. Range 5,000 miles. Passenger capacity 12. The fastest private jet of 2026. Sleek, stealth-inspired, and engineered for ultimate acceleration. It redefines what private aviation can achieve. Transatlantic flights that once took 7 hours now take under 3. It is not just a jet, it is a statement of power, innovation, and prestige. From the classic Citation X Plus to the futuristic Spike S512, private jets are no longer merely luxurious. They are time machines in the sky. Which jet would you choose if speed, comfort, and prestige were unlimited? Comment below and subscribe for more exclusive insights into the world's most advanced machines.